I'm Christina Nicolson, and on this episode of Designing Spaces, we are talking tire safety. Literally, where the rubber meets the road. And I am joined with Chelsea Ponzo, an expert from Continental Tires. Chelsea, thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having me, Christina.
I'm glad you're on my driveway. We have my SUV, and I'm so excited to learn some fundamentals. Tell me something every driver should know.
That's a great question. So your tires really are where your vehicle meets the road. So we're going to go over some key things today, like air pressure, tread depth, and handling capabilities that different tires give you for when you're driving around with your family or yourself.
All right, let's walk around the car and learn something.
Let's do it.
Let's talk about this car specifically and the tires on it. What should I be looking at?
This vehicle right here comes with our Cross Contact LX Sports. And so this is a great tire for a crossover vehicle right here. It's designed for handling for all season. So that means it's got the ability to be a little bit of wet, a little bit of snow, just a little bit, and dry conditions as well on the highway and around town. But as we get into the performance and making sure that this tire is operating at the best conditions for you, we're gonna have to go over some things like tread depth and air pressure.
Those are two things that, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know anything about and I don't check, so teach me.
All right, so both of these should probably be monitored about once a month, and it's not just that TPMS sensor in your car telling you the air pressure. It's always good to come out here and do a check yourself just to make sure all those electronics are working as proper and that you're getting the most life out of your tire. So let's go on down here and let's go through an inspection on this tire.
Okay.
So air pressure is going to be done right here, and there's actually a really simple tool to do that, and it's an air pressure gauge. And you're just going to come down here, you're going to take your valve stem cover off, and you're going to turn it on, and you're going to check your air pressure just like that. And what's going to be important here is making sure that this air pressure matches what's in the driver's side door of your vehicle, because that's going to ensure your tire is operating at the proper inflation pressure for the best performance.
Okay, that's easy enough.
Super easy. Now, the next thing is tread depth, and this is really important for the handling conditions of a tire. So as a tire wears down, it's going to lose some of these wonderful features. So you see in here, you've got all of these grooves and all of these sipes and all of this technology in this tire, making sure that it's giving you the best performance and handling on the road. But as your tread wears down, you're going to need to make sure that this tire is still safe. And that can be done with a super simple tool that all of us have, a penny. So Abe's head is key here. You're going to want Abe's head down in this groove here. So not out here in this deeper groove, and you're going to have a few of them in this tire.
Right.
And as long as Abe's head's covered, you're good to go. It means your tire is still giving you good performance and your traction and your handling. But if you can see Abe's head at all, now it's time to head to your tire dealer and go ahead and get your tires replaced.
Okay, Chelsea, you've taught me a lot. You've taught me about checking the tread, checking the tire pressure, but what do I look for if I need to buy new tires?
ContinentalTire.com is a great starting point because you can put in your vehicle type, you can put in your tire size, or you can search by your plate to really get the right tire. And then from there, depending on the type of vehicle, whether you have a crossover, an SUV, a pickup truck, an electric vehicle, or an ultra high performance car, we can get you into the right tire for your vehicle. This is a winter tire. It's designed for snow and ice and to help with handling and braking in those conditions. But then, say you've got that sports car, you have your fun weekend driver. That's what this tire down here is for. This tire even has some fun features designed on the tire. It has this D, this W, and this S. D for dry, W for wet, and S for snow. And as this tire wears down, you will see these letters go away, and it's telling you where that tire is still optimally performing at. So if the S is gone, it's not going to be as good of a snow tire as it was. It meant for light snow. And then the W for wet, your wet traction's going away, and the D for dry. So it gives you a visual indicator to also know what the performances are.
I love that, but there are so many brands of tires. So tell me how I know not just what tire to buy for the kind of car I'm driving and where I'm living. You got that covered. But what about a brand of tires? Because there's so many, so how do I choose?
So for us at Continental, we believe in our total confidence warranty, because we want you to have a confidence when you're selecting your tire to feel safe with your family, your friends, yourself, at getting from point A to point B.
Thank you so much, Chelsea.
Thank you, Christina.
All right, and if you want more information, just head to continentaltire.com, and as always, you can find everything on our website at designingspaces.tv.